this video, I will show you how to remove social links from your Roblox profile. So let's say you want to remove your social media platform links from your account and you want to, for example, change the visibility, or you just want to change the platform links, or you just want to remove the social links. Then I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first of all, open up your Roblox app or go to the Roblox browser. And then from here, we're going to click on the More tab at the bottom right. And then we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on Settings, then click on Account Info. And then from your account info, we're going to scroll a little bit down. And when we scroll down, we can find our social networks in here. And right now I do not have any social network links in my account, but let's say you do have some, then you just are going to click on them and then you're going to remove them just by erasing everything that's inside. And then you're going to click on the save button in here. And that is the first way to remove your social links. You can also do this next thing, and that is by changing the social network visibility. Here you can change who can see your links to your social network profiles. So if you don't want to have this visible to anyone, you can click this to no one, as I already have. So that is also something that you can do in here. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.